Okay, here I have the dehumidifier here. This is the wall outlet, is what you see, and this is about how long the cord is. It is about like 2 feet, I think. This is with it on, you can hear the sound level of it right now. And I can kind of give you a small demonstration of kind of how fast the fan is blowing. This is about how much airflow you expect to get. So when you raise it up or go down, it doesn't seem like the fan speed is changing at all, but it is maintaining a different level of humidity in the air. As you can see, there's a light blinking when the filter reset. It is needs to be reset, so you need to get a new filter if this light is blinking. You can also get a timer, set a timer. You click on it, and this thing pops out. So this can kind of change, you know, this is 1.5 hour, this is 2 hours, so you kind of manipulate the timer with the same button right here. And you change the fan speed right in here. This is the high fan speed, so you can hear what the noise level was. What the noise level is, what the fan speed we had on before was a medium fan speed. So as you can see, this thing is going a lot faster now. This thing is going all over the place basically. This is now the low fan speed. As you can hear, it is quite significantly quieter, and the air, as you can expect, is a lot less intense than before. It's very convenient too that it has a kind of lever here that you can kind of pull the unit and kind of maneuver it with this convenient lever there. As you come down in here, there is a convenient bar that you can see what the water level is, and how you take it out is basically on the side right here. On the side, this also comes with another convenient lever that you can take out. And basically how you empty it is this giant hole right here. You basically go down and you basically empty the whole thing. And coming to the back, we have the air filter here that you can take it out basically by the two sides right here. You click on both sides and it comes right out. This is what it looks like on the inside. This is a kind of pre-filter that you can vacuum, wash. Basically, you can do anything to clean this. It's very easy to clean. This is for the drainage, and any extra water that is not meant to go in there usually gets caught in here by the circulation. All you gotta do is twist it. And if you had a lot of water here, you basically just tip it over and the water will basically just spill out. Yeah, these two levers here, you can wrap the cord around so it's, you know, not hanging off to the side. It's very easy and convenient to kind of store. And not to mention the wheels is easy. As you can see, I'm using like basically one finger to push it around. It is not hard to push around all because the wheels are very lubricated. And yeah, basically this is all the features of the dehumidifier. I'm genuinely pleased with how well this works and how well this kind of gets the moisture out. So yeah, I would highly recommend anybody, if they want to purchase this and pick this up for kind of the humid days that really gets a lot harder than it should, because the humidity really makes the air a lot worse than it really is, whether it makes it colder or the heat hotter.